Crepdog Crew review. Are their sneakers authentic, and is the platform worth buying from? Starting an Instagram sneaker reselling page in 2019 and growing it into India's largest streetwear and sneaker platform in under 6 years is not an accident. It is a very specific kind of ambition. Crepdog Crew, commonly known as CDC, is India's premier platform for limited edition sneakers, premium streetwear, and hype accessories. It was founded in 2019 by Ankit Kapil, Bharat Mehrotra, and Shailya Kumar, three sneakerheads who started by reselling on Instagram and scaled to delivering 300 to 400 pairs per week across 500 cities. The platform aggregates over 2,000 sneaker resellers and 40 plus streetwear brands, and its website receives over 2.5 lakh visitors monthly. CDC operates both a significant online retail platform with over 15,000 product listings and 2 physical experience stores, one in Delhi and one in Mumbai. The Delhi store is notable for housing Asia's largest sneaker wall alongside a basketball court and an in-house cafe. The platform applies a 3-step in-house authentication process to verify that all listed sneakers are dead stock and genuine before they are sold to buyers. The authentication guarantee and physical presence give Crepdog Crew a credibility profile that distinguishes it meaningfully from grey market resellers. The platform carries brands including Air Jordan, Nike Dunks, Adidas, Hoka, and On Running, alongside luxury accessories and exclusive Indian streetwear designer brands. The main friction point that appears in verified reviews relates to shipping timelines rather than product authenticity. One shopper noted placing an order 12 days before an event and being told on day 5 that the item had not yet shipped and could not be cancelled. Another reviewer described waiting 40 days for an order with customer service they described as unresponsive. A third customer who had visited the physical store praised the curated collection and knowledgeable staff, calling the in-store experience impressive. Crepdog Crew is best suited to sneaker enthusiasts in India who want authenticated limited edition footwear and are not working to a tight delivery deadline. Now for the pros and cons. A 3-step in-house authentication process verifies all sneakers as genuine. Physical stores in Delhi and Mumbai add significant credibility. The platform aggregates over 15,000 SKUs across leading global brands. A Crew Coins loyalty program offers 4 to 8% cashback. The brand has seed funding from established investors and is a credible registered business. The downsides are worth knowing. Shipping timelines of 8 to 10 business days are long and not always reliable. Order cancellation is not available once placed, even if unshipped. Customer service response times are frequently criticized in verified reviews. The platform operates primarily as a reseller marketplace with prices above retail. Delivery issues once an order is placed can be difficult to resolve.